Hey everyone, welcome to a new tutorial today. So today I'll be talking about how to send HTTP request in React. So sending an HTTP request to a server is a common task in web development. So in this video, you will learn how to send HTTP requests from your React application using different APIs like XML HTTP requests, fetch, and access. You will learn how to send get and post requests with different configurations and headers in React, and that's all. So let's get into it. um okay, now so let's open up code sandbox and create a React sandbox. Create a React sandbox. So now, then, so in this video I'll be using my API, Indrid. Indrid is actually a job scraping API. So you just send a request and gives you the latest jobs. So it scrapes from the internet. So we're using this API to test our fetch request, XS or XML request. The first thing to do is let's see how we can send HTTP requests using XML HTTP requests. So like I said, sending HTTP requests from your app is quite simple. In fact, you don't even need to use the library to do this. All you need to do is send a simple GET request. Is to create a new XML HTTP request, add an event to it, then open the URL and send the request. That's all. That's all you need to use XML request. So let's look at how the code will be like using SHL. Yeah. Okay, that's all for XHR. So let's get into using Axios. So for small applications, using XHR will work just fine. As your apps get larger though, you might want to like consider using a cheap request like Axios. So these libraries help you do the same things we did above, like the same things we did in our previous in XHR, but they provide a much simpler way. So let's look at how we can use Axios to send HTTP requests. So the first thing we need to do is to install Axios in our React project. So we can do so using npm install Axios, but I'm using code sandbox, so I'll be using the sidebar to search for Axios and install it in our project. So let's see how to do that. Let's continue. And that's all for using Axios to send HTTP request. So let's look at fetch API. So another alternative to XML HTTP request is the fetch API. So the fetch API is a relatively new browser API for making HTTP requests. So it's a lot more modern and also easier to use than the XML HTTP request. And yeah, it is relatively new. So you might need polyfills to use these APIs in some browsers. So let's take a look at what making a GET request look like in fetch API. So let's go get it. And that's all for fetch API. We've seen how we can send HTTP requests using fetch API, how to send post requests, how to send form data using fetch API. And I think that's all for fetch API for now. In this video, we've learned how to make HTTP requests in React using different methods, adding payloads, headers, and also sending form data using using 3 different APIs, which are XHR, Axios, and fetch API. And I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please share this video to others. So thanks for watching this video. Until next time we meet. Thanks. Have a nice day. Bye.